I want to do a quick show and tell of my toilet that I put here inside the tiny A-frame. The bathroom area is just this little closet right next to the front door. So you can see I've got my kitchen on this side of the wall, and on the other side of the wall and behind a curtain I have the toilet. And looking at the options that were out there for separating toilets, dry toilets, it looked like I would have to spend about $1,000 to get one of those. And so rather than waste all that money, I bought this $40 toilet from Amazon. And this is just a portable camp toilet. It separates in the middle right there. And so you can sort of, insert the pieces inside each other and collapse it to carry it somewhere. But I'll show you how I work that into my design here. So I took that and I just screwed it down to the floor here. And then I went to the compostingtoilet.com and I bought a kit for the urine diverter and the fan. It came with some other things that I didn't end up using. But anyway, here's how it works. First off, I kind of like that this toilet has a soft close lid, even being a camp toilet. That was kind of nice. And I like that it came in white, this particular model. I kind of looked around a while to find that. I think that having a toilet that is less foreign feeling will help guests feel a little more comfortable. But so this is how I've got it. I've got the diverter here, and I've cleaned all of this. Back there is just a little bit of pine shavings back there in the solids bucket. Anyway, this diverter came with the kit, and I had to install it from the underside because it was too big to fit just dropping in from the top here. So I installed it from the other side with some screws. And then the bucket back there that I have lined with the trash can is just the bucket that came with the toilet. It's kind of small and shallow, but I think it's fine for overnight stays. It's not meant to hold a lot of volume. So that's what I'm using for now. And then in the back, I've got the fan. It's kind of a little computer fan with this flexible hose that goes out the side. And you can see the vent has a little mesh on it to kind of keep critters from getting inside. And then to power the fan, I've got this just coming out the side handle here and going on the other side of the wall to a Jackery power source. So the idea here is that after solids, you dump in some pine shavings just to help things dry out a little bit. Of course, the fan helps that. And then after liquids, you spray in some flushing spray, which is just white vinegar. And then for me to service this, I have to be able to access that bucket to take the trash bag out. And so the way that I've done that is just use this separating piece here. So to access this and take out the trash liner for the solids compartment, I can just pull this off the top. And I got a little rubber adapter right there. Let's see if I can show you. So I got that little rubber adapter that goes down into my pipe. That adapter is just it's a connector for a dishwasher. So I can pull out the bag, take it out, and then replace this. So maybe not quite as convenient as one of the $1,000 versions, but I thought for about $250, this does a pretty good job.